Mimas, the Death Star moon with a hidden ocean. If you are a fan of Star Wars, you might be familiar with the Death Star, a massive space station capable of destroying planets with a powerful laser. But did you know that there is a real moon in our solar system that looks like the Death Star? It's called Mimas, and it orbits Saturn, the ringed planet. Mimas is one of the smallest and most heavily cratered moons of Saturn. It has a diameter of only 396 kilometers, which is about a third of the size of Earth's moon. It also has a huge impact crater on its surface, called Herschel, that measures 130 kilometers across and 10 kilometers deep. This crater gives Mimas its distinctive appearance, resembling the Death Star's superlaser. But Mimas is not just a cold and barren rock. Scientists have recently discovered that Mimas has a hidden ocean under its icy crust, which could potentially support life-essential conditions. This ocean is estimated to be very young, only 5 to 15 million years old, and is located about 25 kilometers below the surface. It is kept warm by the tidal forces of Saturn, which stretch and squeeze Mimas as it orbits the planet. This discovery was made possible by analyzing data from NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which observed Saturn and its more than 140 moons for over a decade. Cassini measured the shape and gravity of Mimas, and found that it was slightly more elongated and heavier on one side than expected. This suggested that Mimas had an asymmetrical interior, with a denser region near the crater. The best explanation for this anomaly was the presence of a subsurface ocean, which would have a higher density than the surrounding ice. The discovery of an ocean on Mimas is surprising and exciting, as it adds to the growing list of ocean worlds in our solar system. Other moons, such as Europa, Enceladus, and Titan, are also known to have oceans beneath their surfaces, and are considered to be prime candidates for hosting life. Mimas, however, is much smaller and colder than these moons, and was not expected to have enough heat to maintain a liquid ocean. The fact that it does suggests that there might be more ocean worlds out there, waiting to be explored. Mimas is a fascinating example of how appearances can be deceiving. It may look like a dead and frozen world, but it hides a secret that could change our understanding of the origin and the evolution of life in the universe. Mimas is a reminder that we should never judge a book by its cover, or a moon by its crater.